Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and of course go turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss out on any of my amazing content. So I got something really special for you all today, so stick around. My boyfriend and I just celebrated our 1-year anniversary. Yay. And you want to know what's crazy? Like, I love how utterly boring our life is. Yes. And I say boring in like the most endearing way possible. Most people think that a full life has to be packed with like vacations, parties, and like constant excitement. But you know what? Our perfect idea of like a perfect day is staying in, watching movies, spending like quality time with our adorable little baby. It is the simple moments that really make life magical. And because we love our cozy home life so much, I have been on the hunt for like the perfect in-house outfits. That's why I'm super excited to announce that I have partnered with SHEIN, like always, she is, she will, she always be, to bring you guys another try on haul for like the coziest, cutest, most practical in-house wardrobe ever. And of course, if you guys are new here, I am only wearing blue until the end of the year. It's a thing. I have a bunch of videos explaining it. Okay, so it's not just about like lounging at home, but also because our building has these amazing restaurants / clubs. So whenever we feel like stepping out for a bit without really like going out, we have some dining options literally downstairs. And so guess what, I picked out some fabulous SHEIN outfits that will work perfectly for like those casual dinner dates, as well as, you know, chilling at the house. So make sure that you guys are checking out the description links in the box below. So if you're all about comfort, style, and versatility without breaking the bank, you're going to love what I've got lined up. So let's dive right into it. Like I said, all the description links will be in the box below. My coupon code will be in the box below. And of course, with Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all the good holiday sales is coming up, make sure to add all of my, you know, outfits that I'm going to show you today that you like to your wish list, so that way you don't miss out on the best deals SHEIN has to offer this year. Okay, let's get started. This, I'm not even going to hold you. Okay, let me explain something to you. When I tell you, this right here is my swag. This is like the most comfortable two-piece. I don't know how SHEIN managed to make polyester and elastane feel like fleece. Like, it feels like thick fleece. Like, this is literally this. Oh my god, I can't wait to go pick up my baby in the after school program with this shit on. With this, you know, I get it from my mama. This is so cute all the way down to like the feet area. It is so warm and fabulous. Like, I could literally like jump. Why do I keep saying like so much? I don't know, but this is how I feel. Like, I feel really preppy. I feel like, oh my god, like, oh my OMG, like, I feel so preppy. Like, I feel as though I can go and go to sleep in this. Like, it just feels so soft and amazing. It looks cute, very hoochie, very hoochie. You gotta wear a bra, you gotta wear some tape, lift the bag rolls up to the shoulders, but everything else, fab. Okay, so this is the Bodycon ridge dress with an open coat that goes all the way down to the ankles. Again, this material is so soft and supple, darling. Okay, and I love the bishops. You guys know, if you are a returning subscriber, you know I love a bishop sleeve. You know that's one thing about your girl, she loves the bishops. A bishop sleeve, honey. And this is very regular. now. This one is more comfortable to go out or whatever the case may be, if it's kind of chill. Living in South Florida, they see 60, like, it was like, what temperature was it? It was like 67, like 67, 69 degrees. And like, my boyfriend went and got a sweater, and he got a wool knit hat, and he got this man looked like he was preparing for a blizzard. Me, outside, tank top, hoochie mama shorts, flip-flops, didn't give a damn. But if it gets a little bit colder than that down here, you know, at night and stuff, this is something I will wear. Something make me feel comfortable. Very, very cute. Wagon in the back. Okay, so next, this is like an oversized cardigan with some drawstring pants, goes all the way down. I love, one thing I do appreciate about all these sets, even though you guys can't really see all the way to the bottom of the floor, simply because I did not clean this room up after I came back from New York, and after I came back from Atlanta, after I came back from here and there, honey. There is stuff all over this floor. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But one thing you probably don't know is that these sets come all the way down to my ankles, which I absolutely love, because somebody with big feet like me, having my ankles exposed is very uncomfortable. If I had smaller feet, probably wouldn't care. Because I have big feet, if I have ankles out, I feel like people immediately go look at your ankles to see if they're ashy, and then when they see that I'm not ashy, they go down to see how big my feet are. So I love the fact that the pants go all the way down to my feet. Now these come with little pockets. Now you're supposed to wear like something under it. You guys know how I hate doing the most when it comes to doing these hauls. We're just trying them on. It is a authentic try on. I'm not one of those girls who do try-ons and they got hair, makeup for each outfit, baby. This is straight from the box, straight from the pic, okay? And so this is giving West Palm Beach. This is giving Palm Beach vibes, honey. It is a tube top two-piece. I'm clearly just wearing tape, not a bra, so it's very stretchy material. Very, very cute. Like I said, it goes well with somewhere that's, you could dress it up and dress it down. Like if I wear like certain earrings and have my hair up, this will look very elegant, and versus me just wearing it just regular with some flip-flops or something like that. Like this can go either way, and so you got to be careful about when you going out and doing all that stuff. Make sure you accessorize it appropriately. Few times I've been around that track, and it's not just gonna happen like that, cause I ain't no holla back girl. I ain't no holla back girl. Few times I've been around that track, and it's not happen like that, cause I ain't no holla back girl. I ain't no holla back girl. This is giving Juicy Couture. This is giving Juicy Couture circa 2006, honey. Do you know how long I have been waiting for a velour tracksuit with a hoodie zip up? Okay. Yes, darling. Yes, SHEIN, give it to me with that. I my baby blue powder white Nike. Oh, this is giving 03 Jay-Z. It's giving 03 Jay-Z. This is like back in the day in New York. If you had a powder blue tracksuit with some ups or even some Tims, you were that girl. You were wifey status. This was the dun 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 dun. This was like a standard wifey outfit, running with your man while he busting chops, and you pull up on him like, Tyrone, why are you not picking up the phone? It's broken. Your phone is broken. You don't even need it. Throw the phone in the garbage, because if I call you ain't picking up, it's a problem. Smack the ice cup, boom, out of his hand. Take the Chinese chicken, boom. I ain't do that to the Chinese chicken. Somebody knock your Chinese chicken and pork fried rice out of your hands. That's a death wish. Just saying y'all know. But I look fabulous. It has been a while since I've had like a jumpsuit. Like a real good jumpsuit. I feel like when you have a jumpsuit and like you wear it with like some cute shoes or whatever the case may be, maybe some bracelets, a choker chain, you look like one of those really cool like art teachers. And also they are super like just easy to put on, and it looks like you put a lot of effort into it, even though it's really effortless. If you really think about it, whenever somebody wears, especially like a utility jogger romper, it just looks like they have their life together. It looks like they buy $100,000 art pieces, because those are the only types of people you see wear these types of just outfits. Unless you work at Zara, then they all wear this in a monotoned gray color, but mine is the electric blue. This is like so super like sexy to me, only because back in the day we used to have dresses like this from like polo or rugby, and I just feel so good seeing all these like styles coming back. We have a hooded drawstring dress that fits like a glove. It comes up to my calf. So back when I was in high school, we probably wear these with like shell toe Adidas. So fab. Okay, so this skirt is so long. I hope I didn't flash. Oh Jesus, I hope I did not flash, you guys. This skirt is so long and flowy, and then I have a like not brassiere, but like kind of like a corset tank top. And then I literally, when I saw this skirt, I ordered this necklace as well. This is not from SHEIN, but the whole look just looks so fabulous. I can't wait to put it together on Instagram, child. So yes, this concludes my SHEIN try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comments which outfit you love to see. And of course, make sure to click the description link to use my coupon code down below. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Dami besos.